Hello viewers, it's good to be back again. First of all, say a very big shout out to all my subscribers out there. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, for liking, commenting, and also sharing. Okay, and as for my friends that are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so, and God will bless you abundantly. Okay, so last video we talked about how to convert your improper fraction to a mixed fraction. Okay, and I hope you do understand that. And today we're going to be learning about how to reduce your fraction to its simplest form. Sit back and let's dive into it. Let's go. The first question here, we have 6/15. How do we reduce 6/15 to its lowest form? Okay, now we start by using the lowest number, which is 2. Start from 2. Now, if 2 can go into 6, can 2 also go into 15? Impossible. So we go with what? 3. If 3 can go in 6, can it also go in 15? Yes, it can. So let's go. 3 into 6 will give us what? 2. And 15 divide 3 is 5. And that gives us 2/5. Okay? So the answer for question 1 is 2/5. Then the second question, we have 35 over 42. Which number can go into 35 and at the same time go into 42? Is it 3? Can 3 go in 35 and also in 42? Because you need to look for a number that can divide both the numerator and the denominator evenly without you having a remainder. Okay? So you need to think of the number. What about 4? 4 can't go in 35, neither can it go in 42. 6? No. 7? Can 7 go in 35 and also in 42? Yes. 7 can go in 35 5 times, right? Because 7 times 5 is 35, and then 7 times 6 gives us 42. So that leaves us with 5/6. And we can't divide or reduce these fractions further again, because if we are to divide it further, that means we are converting into a decimal. Okay, so we're going to give our answer like this. Then the third question says 17 divide 51. Okay, can 17 divide 51? We have to find out. Okay, let's say 17 times 3. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2, 5. Oh yeah, that means 17 can go into 17 once, and 17 can go into 51. How many times? 3 times. Okay, and that leaves us with 1/3. And then our answer is 1/3. Question 4. We have 27/36. Which number can go in 27 and also go in 36? 2 is impossible. It can only go in 36 but can't go in 27. How about 3? If we say 3, 3 in 27 will go 9 times, right? So 3 in 27 is 9, and 3 in 36 will go 12 times. But looking at this fraction, we can still reduce it to its lowest term. Okay, 3 can go in both 9 and 12 again. So let's go again with 3. 9 divided by 3 will give us 3. And 12 divided by 3 gives us 4. And this is the lowest term for 27/36. Okay, now let's move over to question 5. We have 24/64. Yes, so the lowest number that can go in both 24 and 64 is 2. 2 can go in 24. 2 in 2, 1. 2 in 4, 2, right? 2 in 6, 3. And 2 in 4, 2. Okay, that's 12/32. So now we still have to reduce it because it's still bigger than usual. So we have to reduce this fraction. Which number can go in 12 and 32? We'll still go with 2. So 12 divided 2 gives us 6. 3 divided by 2 gives us 1, remainder 1. Then in 12 gives us 6, and that's 6/16, right? But it can still be reduced. Yeah, we can still reduce the fraction. We can still use 2 to divide both 6 and 16. Now 6 divided 2 is 3, and 16 divided 2 is 8. And that gives our final answer 3/8. Okay, I hope you're enjoying the simple method of reducing fractions to its simplest form. Alright, now the next one is 60 over 105. Right, so here we can start dividing our numbers using 5. So 5 can go in 6 once, and the remainder 1 in 10 is 2. So that's 12. 5 in 10 is 2, and 5 in 5 is 1. Okay, so we have 12 over 21. And trust me, we can still reduce this fraction, right? What can go in both 12 and 21? Can 2 go in 12 and also go in 21? I don't think so. So let's try 3. How about 3? 3 can go in 12 and also go in 21. Yes. So 12 divided by 3 gives us what? 4. And 21 divided by 3 gives us 7. And that leaves our final answer to be 4/7. I want you to try this at home. Do this. So reduce these fractions to its simplest term. 10/12. Okay? And yeah, so have 10/12, 35 over 70, and 25 over 80. Do this and get back to me as soon as possible. Okay, thank you all to my subscribers. I love you all. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a lovely week. Ciao.